Hi, this is David Carr, here to share some of the cool new things you can do to showcase your events on your website using RSVPMaker. RSVPMaker is a free plugin for WordPress that adds event publishing, event registration, event payment, and email newsletter, email invitation capabilities. One recent improvement is increased flexibility to display your events in lots of different ways, in lots of dramatic ways on your website. Now, this is a plugin that allows you to register people for your events without them having to click away to Meetup or Eventbrite or any other site. You can keep their attention. You can allow them, after they finish registering for your event, to discover other cool things that you've got going on, whether it's your blog or your products or your nonprofit mission. All of the events that I'm sharing are modeled on some work that I've done for Swank Specialty Produce. All the best chefs in South Florida get their produce there, and they hold these wonderful gourmet dinners. Each of these events has a featured image designated. So that's the image that's shown very dramatically at the top of each event post, but we can also use that in our summary view. Here's a quick tour. To achieve these effects, I'm working with what's called the query loop. The query loop in WordPress is a visual representation of the database lookup that pulls out a series of blog posts or other content items and presents them on the page. I'm using my own customized RSVPMaker query loop variation. Pretty much the controls work the same. You would select the number of items you want to show per page, but then within the query loop is this post template that defines what elements will be displayed within it. This says for each post we want the title followed by the featured image followed by a customized version of the excerpt block for RSVPMaker content, and you can customize that post template to use different content blocks in a different order. You can also make changes like changing this from 2 columns to 3. To read a blog post that goes into more detail, visit rsvpmaker.com. I'm also working on a more detailed video tutorial. Hey, one more thing. RSVPMaker is all about getting that call to action, getting people to click the button. Please click the like button. Please post a comment to let me know if this was valuable.